Kumusta uli dyan mga kariden? At ito may gagawin na naman akong reaction video sa aking or sa ating paboritong banda. Ang banda ng bayan, ang France Rhythm. At ang aawitin nila ay With or Without You by U2. Okay, umpisa na natin.
See the sunset in your eyes, see the thorn twist in your side. I'll wait for you. Stay your hand and twist our fate.
Galing ni Chen.
Let our name, she makes me
Talagang kinukuha niya yung
and I wait.
ng mga original na lead.
With or without you, with or without you, through the storm, reach the shore, you keep it open, I want more, and I'm waiting for you. With or without you, with or without you, I can't live. With or without you.
Galing din ni Daddy
And you give yourself away, and you give yourself away, and you give, and you give yourself away. And sometimes the body would shake at me, nothing to eat. Nothing left to lose, and you give yourself away, and you give yourself away, and you give, and you give yourself away. With or without you, with or without you, I can't live. With or without you. With or without you.
Galing ni Dodge din
With or without you, I can't live. With or without you, with or without you.
Si Char din, magaling din si Char talaga sa keyboard. U2 na U2 ang dating Bonggo. Galing.
for watching, guys.
Galing, kopyang-kopya nyo.
Thank you so much.
Galing, galing, galing talaga tong ating paboritong bandang family band na Franz Rhythm. At yung mga hindi pa pala nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, paki-subscribe naman po at paki-share na rin. O di pa paano, hanggang sa susunod uli, sa susunod muli. Kita-kita tayo. Bye for now muna.